Welcome, shave fans. For today's shave, I'm going to be using some Van Yulay Cucumber Fresh. Monica from Van Yulay contacted me after seeing me asking around for a cucumber scented soap and said that she had one. And so she sent me what I thought was going to be a sample, but it ended up being an entire tin. So thank you, Monica. That was really awesome for you to do. I did not expect such an awesome gift. So to go with this soap, I am going to be using my Merkur 34C, and one of the reasons why I'm using the Merkur 34C is because I'm also trying a new blade, which is the Treat Platinum. I have had a tuck of these in my kit for a long time, but hadn't tried them. And since the Fitch razor came out and came with them, I have a bunch of these blades floating around. And everybody talks about how much they like them, so I thought I would try and give them a shot. For my brush today, I have rehandled a brush, and this is a 3D printed handle that I designed and printed. And I took the AK Power brush that I really liked, synthetic brush on Amazon, and I pulled the old handle and put it into the new one. And there was nothing horribly wrong with the old handle, but I just really like this one. And I've got it filled with some Durham's water putty. And you can pick this up at just about any hardware store. And it's great because it's just water mix up. And once it's mixed properly, it doesn't shrink. It just forms a rock hard, you can use it for all sorts of things, shaping and smoothing things out, or in this case I just used it for filling this. And it also didn't heat up, which could be a problem with a plastic 3D printed handle. So that was kind of cool. So consequently, this is a handle that you could bash somebody over the head with, and I really like this synthetic brush. All right, I've got my brush wet. I'm just going to shake out the excess and start a load. The smell on this is really, really neat. I really like it. It's cucumber with, also she has this there, cucumber and bamboo. And so it's a cucumber for sure. And then with this kind of backup of some floral notes, I guess, which I guess would be the bamboo. I live in the desert, so we don't get a lot of chance to smell bamboo. All right, I loaded that pretty dry. You can see that it's pretty thick and pasty, so I'm going to make sure I have a little bit extra water in my bowl, and we'll see how it goes. Wow, I way overloaded the brush by having it too dry. So I have just an insane amount of lather going here. But we'll go ahead and load it up. It's just such a great consistency. It looks like it's going to be really slick. All right, let's test out this new blade. Well, that is awesome. I can hear it cutting, but I cannot feel it. which speaks to not only the soap but also the blade. All right, first pass, and I gotta say that this soap is amazing. I am really digging it. The smell is fabulous. Sorry, the smell is fabulous. I really like it. It's not just cucumber, which is really a nice thing. At first I thought that's what I wanted, was just cucumber, but I'm really digging the other scents that are in there as well. So it does give me cucumber, but it's you know, a much more, I guess, mature smell, refined. It has more things to it. There's layers to that scent. Oh, it's really good, and it's amazingly slick. Wow. Let's see. Load up a second. And I really did way overload this brush. I'm going to have to save my lather bowl, not rinse it all out, because I'll be able to get at least another shave, if not two, out of this brush. That's how much soap I accidentally loaded into it. The only other blade that I have tried that has this similar feel where I just can't feel the blade cutting, but I know it's cutting, is the Wilkinson sword, actually. So I don't know if that means that they're similar or whether it's just yet another blade that my face loves. All right, second pass, like the first, amazing slick. Really digging this soap and the blade, actually. The razor, of course, I already knew I loved. All right, let's go for a third pass. I am almost at BBS on the top already. My neck, man, it always takes some work. All right, now for the money pass. Monica, just a phenomenal scent. Oh, just loving this. If you guys are looking for a, you know, a fresh, clean scent, oh, this is a great one. One of the reasons I was looking for a cucumber scented soap is that in the hot summer months, I drink cucumber water all the time. Make batches of it with, you just peel a cucumber, take those skins, and throw them in a jug of water. Give it a splash of lime juice. Squeeze a lime in there, and then you know, you can add just a little bit of sugar is all I find, or you know, Sweet and Low, Splenda, whatever happens to be your favorite sweetener of choice. And it doesn't take much at all, because you don't want a sweet, but you just want something to kind of kick it up a notch. You just let that soak for a little while. Cucumbers in the water, and it just pulls out that cucumber essence. And it really makes a mind-blowing, refreshing summer drink. All right, there's 3 passes. Let's rinse off and see how we did. A little cleanup on the side there, maybe a little bit on the chin and the wings, of course. Rinse off here, and we'll see how she feels dry. Oh yeah, just a baby butt smooth up top. Darn fine shave down below, and that is all I could ever ask for. Now the only problem is, if I use any aftershave that has scent, that cucumber smell will go away, and that would be a shame. So I'm going to stick with some witch hazel. All right, a great shave for me. Phenomenal. I just cannot tell you how much I love this soap now. Oh, wow. Absolutely amazing. This soap, the shave, that smell is awesome. It's phenomenal. And I really like that treat blade. That was actually my second shave with it. The first shave, I wanted to shave again just to make sure that, you know, I was feeling what I was feeling. So I really like that as well. And my brush is awesome, and you can see I just still have just an insane amount of lather down in the bottom of that bowl. I just loaded too much. So what I'll do is actually I'll just let that dry in the bowl, and then my next shave I'll just add a little bit of water, rehydrate it, and give it a kick, and I'll be good to go. At least for one other shave, maybe even two. It's amazing how much lather you can load into even a relatively small brush like that. I think that's maybe a 20 mil knot. All right, have a great day.